Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the nationality challenge or the trend for free. So Faceplay application is paid now, so you won't be able to create your nationality challenge or the trend. So how you can do it for free? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. If you want to do this trend, you don't need to Faceplay application. Just download the Face Magic application. This application is free. I mean, you can create that video for free on it. So first of all, install it on your phone. Once you will do it, open it, and you will see this type of the screen after click on the get it started. So once you will do it, now you have to click on the new, and here you will see different videos, as well as you will find our trend video right here. So select any video from here. Once you will select from here, now you have to click on this plus icon, and here you will see demo photos. You can simply create your picture from camera, or you can simply upload it from your mobile photos. So right now I am using demo pictures. So let's suppose I select this picture. Now you will see create option, so you have to click on it, and face is swapping. Just skip this ad, and once you will do it, here you will see save option, or you can simply share it from here. As you will see, face is changed now. Just click on the save and click on the allow. Now video is saving to your device. Upload it on your TikTok or on the Instagram. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.